Oh crap. Oh no! I forgot my keys. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. No. Bye. Sergio and I are gonna go to the store and try to buy some things that we can decorate our house with. Fall decorations. I'm really excited. Today's perfect because today it's like actually kind of cold outside, so it would be like perfect for, you know, the atmosphere outside. It's gonna be all chilly and cold. Oh, hold on. Are you excited to decorate our house?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the dollar store to get some decorations. Ah, my back really hurts.
Why your back here?
Because we were folding laundry and I sat down on the floor, and as I was sitting down, my back hit like a sharp part of my desk. So my back hurts when I move, but it's fine. Okay, see ya. Well, they have some stuff on that wall. Ooh, look what they have. Look what they have. You want to get this?
I think it's querería get this.
You can get this down for me.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sergio has another day off work today. He saved up some vacation days. He did have to go into work today for maybe about an hour, but he should be back any minute. We're gonna finish decorating the house. I think we're gonna go to a different store. Last night we went to a Dollar Tree. Today we're gonna go to Walmart, I think. Later today, we're gonna take a drive about 45 minutes away, and we're gonna go to a helicopter tour, which is gonna be very exciting. And I wanted to show you guys the house a little bit because we cleaned yesterday. In between my couch and Fido's chair used to be like a whole bunch of boxes and Christmas bags from all the way last year, and it was just a whole bunch of trash, yarn scraps, crochet, knitting stuff that was really unorganized. So we completely cleaned and organized all of this stuff, and we put it in here. And this area is, I'm hoping to become my office one of these days. But I mean, it kind of looks, I mean, it's organized chaos over in that area. But then I cleaned out my desk. Here's some Polaroids that me and Sergio took on our anniversary last week. Hey, Sergio's home! Yay! Alrighty guys, so we are done at Walmart now. I mean, I didn't get to film a lot while I was in there because it was very busy and I got anxious. Now we are headed to the helicopter ride. Yeah.
Allá vamos. Pum, pururum.
So it is now the next day. We're outside putting up the outside decorations, along with some of the stuff that we bought last year to decorate the house with. How cute! The little white one. The white one's my favorite. Two are together, and I love this pillow. I like the jacket one. Right now, we've got the curtains, a couple of hangy doodads on the wall, boo. We've got some leaves up there. We've got some skeleton garland. We've got all the stuff outside. This is what my table looks like. I mean, apart from the mess, don't look at that. But the two placemats, the bowl with the pumpkins and the candle in the middle. Oh, and I've got these looking out the window above my sink. It says trick or treat and home sweet haunted home. Normally I don't go for like knick-knacky stuff with words on it, but seasonally, it's okay. And this little ghost, hi. Ouch. Okay, everybody, I finished decorating. After Sergio went to work this morning, I finished decorating. It wasn't too much extra. I just added, you know, this vase and, you know, made very special attention to my squirrel salt and pepper shakers. Then we put some stuff to like frame the curtains and, yeah, I think it looks really good. I mean, I've got to clean up a little bit, but this is more or less what it's going to end up being, and I'm really happy. I really like the fake leaves that I put over all of the windows. I like having curtains. I love those top curtains that I made. If you want to see how I made them and a couple of other decorations, I'm going to be having a video coming out either tomorrow or within the next couple of days. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. You can subscribe if you want, you can like it if you want, and you can leave a comment if you want to make me feel really special. Alright, see you guys. Squishy.